Hello everyone, how are you and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a Tunisian stitch pattern for face mask adapter that can also be used as a bookmark. This is what it looks like. The Tunisian stitches which are used in these patterns may look complicated, but actually all the stitches here are so easy to create. Okay, now let me show you how to make it and let's get started. The materials for these little projects are yarns, a crochet hook number 6, 2 buttons, a tapestry needles, and a pair of scissors. Firstly, make a slip knot. Then chain 6. Make 5 unfinished single crochets, start from chain number 5. To complete the first row, do yarn over, pull it through 1 loop as much as 1 time, then do yarn over, pull it through 2 loops as much as 5 times. The first row is complete. To make the second one, make 5 unfinished single crochet again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The first loop is counted as first unfinished single crochet, so there are 6 loops in the hook. Now complete the second row. Yarn over, pull it through 1 loop as much as 1 time. Yarn over, pull it through 2 loops as much as 5 times. Then make the third row. The patterns is same. Make 5 unfinished single crochet again. Yarn over, pull it through 1 loop as much as 1 time. Yarn over, pull it through 2 loops as much as 5 times. Now the fourth row, make 5 unfinished single crochet. Yarn over, pull it through 1 loop as much as 1 time. Yarn over, pull it through 2 loops as much as 5 times. The first pattern is done. It consists of 4 rows of Tunisian stitches. Now I'm going to show you how to make the second pattern. Begin with chain 6. Then repeat the whole stitches. Two patterns are complete now. You just need to repeat the same patterns until you get the length you desire. Don't forget to begin with chain 6 like this, then repeat the whole pattern. Here is mine. I've just made 4 patterns. Then make slip stitch in each of the loop. Make 2 slip stitch of the square. Make the first one, then chain 1, make another slip stitch in the same space. At the left side, make 1 slip stitch in each of the stitches. There is the right side of the next pattern. Make 1 slip stitch in each of the loop. Make 2 slip stitch at the square separated by chain 1. Then make one slip stitch in each of the next stitches. When you arrive at the right side of each pattern, you just need to make slip stitch through the loops. Meanwhile, at the right side, you need to make a slip stitch through each stitches until you complete this part. Okay, when you are here, make chain one and make another slip stitch in the same space. Then make one slip stitch in each of the stitches, and when you arrive at the square, make two slip stitches separated by one chain. Make one slip stitch in the next stitches. Well everyone, to complete this part, you need to make one slip stitch in each of the stitches. And when you arrive at the square, you need to make two slip stitches separated by chain one. After all are complete, make one last slip stitch. Make 14 chains as a hooker. I forgot to say that I made the last slip stitch using crochet hook number 5, then I chain it again to number 6 when I'm making chains 14. Now I'll switch to hook number 5 again to make the last slip stitch. Okay, it's ready now. Then cut the yarn. Cut this yarn tail. Well everyone, this pattern is ready. You can use it as your bookmark, or you need to put 2 buttons to make it a fast mask adapter. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have something to say about this design, kindly leave your comment below and I will be very happy to respond. See you again, have a good day and happy crochet!